Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Google Form owner. First, open the Google Form you want to transfer. You can find it in your Google Drive. Click the Share button. If the person you want to make the owner isn't added yet, type their email address, give them editor access, and hit send. Click the Share button again. Find their email in the list, click the drop-down menu beside it, and select Transfer Ownership. Confirm the transfer. The new owner will get an email notification and must accept the request to complete the process. And that's it. That's how to change the Google Form owner. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.